I try 12. Okay, ttlock already configured. So we see how to add the password. Generate. Here, permanent, timed, one time, custom. Here, for exactly for easy to remember, we can customize. Okay, something like this. And put, oh, here's a name. Sorry, name. Okay, you just put P, and here is your password. Set. Okay, easy. He's one time, he's timed, and permanent, depends your requirement, your request. Okay, easy. So by the fingerprint, okay, fingerprint, add fingerprint, the same, the permanent, the timed. Okay, here, oh, next, start. Okay, put your finger in here.
Operation failed.
Okay.
Operation failed.
Start.
Please press your finger on the send. Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Input successful.
Okay. And we can add the remote. Here is the remote, okay? Okay, add remote. Okay, also is permanent. T and next. We can press and okay. Okay, find the remote. Okay, the remote is provided on request. Okay, and by card. Okay, by card, the same way. The same way to add the card. Add card here. Also LAN, okay. EW, okay.
Please swipe your card.
Swipe card.
Input successful.
Okay, so now it's configured all the different multiple unlocking ways. So we can check. Unlock by the finger.
Locked.
By card.
Unlocked.
By password.
Locked. Unlocked.
Okay. And by the, here is the material key. Okay. Here by the RF remote.
Unlocked.
Okay. So okay, by the ttlock.
Locked.
By ttlock. So we can check the records in here. You can see smart lock from the application, by the keyfob, by password, by card, by fingerprint. Different, right? So if you want to remotely unlock, here we can to add the G2 gateway, but not here. Okay, so I didn't show you in this video. So it's very easy.